Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Heiser WH2AS 10 to 14 pound Ansul style wall hanger. This is a wall hanger used to hang those weight or those capacity of units, 10 to 14 pound. Overall width, about 2 1/8 or so. Overall height, about 2 inch. Overall projection, about 2 3/16. As you could tell earlier, it's made of steel. Has a zinc corrosion resistant plating on it. The thickness is 0.117 thick. Holes here for fasteners. A perforated feature to this that's going to obviously serve to give it strength. Obviously your slot for the wall hanger clip, so to speak, to hang into. Okay, why people buy these? Well, you might be repurposing a unit from place, A to location B. You're not going to pull the old wall hanger off, or you've bought some wall hanger, some extinguishers, and they didn't come with hangers. You might have been told that you need to add an extinguisher to a location and specifically has to be on the wall, and you've got the extinguisher, whatever the case might be. People buy hangers all the time, and it's very likely that they just need one and that they're not removing it from where it existed originally because it may be impractical to do so, considering how inexpensive wall hangers generally are. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Heiser products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Heiser WH2AS 10 to 14 pound Ansul style wall hanger or any other Heiser product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.